Hey there, friends, and welcome to Friday Preschool. I'm so glad you're able to join me. Let's go ahead and get started with the calendar. I just said it's Friday, and it's the 24th. Tomorrow is the 25th, and here is the 26th. We'll be back here Monday. I'll see you then. So let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready? Here we go. Let me hear ya. Nice and loud. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Let me hear ya. Woohoo! That was very nice singing. So today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. We only have a few more days left in this month when we come back. A few more days, and then we start a new month. Does anybody know what the new month is going to be? April, and then it's May. April showers, which means rain, bring May flowers. So all this rain that we've been having would make our grass green, and the flowers grow, and the leaves come on the trees. We predicted what kind of weather for today? Rainy. And that was a very good prediction because it is very rainy out there today. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow, our first day of our weekend? What do you think? Sunny with clouds, so it's partly sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. Oh, I heard someone say sunny. I hope that's right. That'd be nice to have some sun. All right. Let's go ahead and say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready to say our alphabet? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Perfect. Let's count all the way to 15. Are we ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't hear you. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, we're counting backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Great. All right, I'm looking for a shape. I'm looking for a rhombus. Can you find the rhombus? There it is. What color is that rhombus? It is brown. What can I call a rhombus? If I didn't want to call it a rhombus, I could call it a diamond. Yes, let's sing our shape song. Are you ready? Hopefully my internet will let us play it.
With Grammarly, you can find really
of course
good,
we have to have an
no,
ad.
perfect words that
3,
make your writing
2,
sharp
1.
or explicit.
Skip it. There we go. Shapes have names, angles and lines. There are shapes. Now I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. That is what we like to do. Here we go. Circle. Circle. Square. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. Oval. Oval. Diamond. Diamond. Heart. Heart. Star. Star.
Shapes have names, they're made of angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. Now
I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. Shape, name, game. That is what we like to do. What is this? Rhombus. What else could a rhombus be besides a rhombus? What did we say? It could be a diamond. All right, let's find a color. How about if we find something that is purple? Do you see something purple? Right here. It is Mikey's girlfriend, Celia, and they love each other. They both have one eye. Our nursery rhyme this week is Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane. Let's take a look at that video.
fresh muffins hot out of the oven. Oh, do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane. He's coming! The ice cream man is coming!
Oh, do you know the Ice Cream Man, the Ice Cream Man, the Ice Cream Man? Do you know the Ice Cream Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, I know the ice cream man, the ice cream man, the ice cream man. Yes, I know the ice cream man who lives on Drury Lane.
Apples, peaches, pears, and plums. Get your fresh fruit over here. Oh, do you know the fruit stand man, the fruit stand man, the fruit stand man? Do you know the fruit stand man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, I know the fruit stand man, the fruit stand man, the fruit stand man. Yes, I know the fruit stand man who lives on Drury Lane.
Whew, that was a big one. Fruit stand man. I like that video. All right, we've worked on the letter. What is this one? L, F, E, H, T, I, U. And now we're working on that magical magical letter C. That says k, k, k for cookies. Carl, cat, and Cogsworth. Let's go ahead and make that letter C by starting off where do those letters start again? Who can remember? They start off at the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Uh-oh. Where do we start those letters? Here we go. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. At the top. And he gets ah. Reach up. Way up. Here we go. Reach out and touch the top. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. We get ahs. Ah. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better memorize to start it at the top. Here we go, going down. No, it's the bottom. Shake it in the middle. Reach up high. Do you start your letters at the top? Awesome. Now we're going to make what letter? We're making the letter C. So we need our big curve onto Mr. Matt. Right there's his smiling face. We're making the letter C. It's a magical letter. Let's go ahead and get up our song. Oh, let's try again. There we go. Wrong button. Remember, we start at the top. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me.
Make a circle, I'll show
There we go.
you how.
Let's try one more time. And we start at the top with our magic C and follow it around. So we're starting here. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Here we go. Start at the top, now we're moving. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. One more time. Fingers at the top. Here we go. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. Very nice. Oh, wait, not yet. So we'll start a circle next week with Mrs. Hill. But this week we were working on that magic C. I'm so glad you joined me for Circle Time today. I can't wait to see you next week for Zoom. I hope everyone had fun with the scavenger hunt. We will see you next week, and Mrs. Hill will be working with the calendar, and she'll have some music videos for you, and I'll be doing I'll be doing the story. And next week is our last week for our community helpers. And then we're going to be starting a new investigation, an exciting investigation. Can't wait to talk about that. But I'll see you next week for story. Have a great weekend. I miss you all so much. Stay safe. Big hug. Ugh. See you later. Bye.